Hello and welcome to the London Car Alarm Company. Today we've fitted another Autowatch Ghost 2 to a 2016 Mercedes E-Class Coupe. How the system works is every time you jump in the vehicle, turn the main ignition on without putting your foot in the brake, go through a push sequence, you'll get a double flash from the eco light, and then you'll be able to start it. So we're going to do that now. So main ignition on, go through your push sequence. On here we've selected something really simple like the cruise control. 1, 2, 3, 4. Eco light will flash twice. There you go. Foot on the brake and then start the vehicle. There you go. Really clever, really straightforward. When you turn off the ignition, 5 seconds thereafter, it will automatically immobilise itself. So if someone was to jump in and try and start it, this is what would happen. So foot on the brake, start the vehicle, select a gear, so you can't actually select a gear because it's got gearbox lock as well, so you won't be able to move it. So insert your code 1, 2, 3, 4, double flash, and now select your gear. There you go, you can select a gear. Really clever, really straightforward. When you turn off the ignition, it will actually immobilise itself. This also has the facility that when you take it for a service, all you basically do is main ignition on, insert your push sequence, so 1, 2, 3, 4, double flash from the eco light, and then you hit the radio mute button 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Eco light flashes 5 times. This is now in valet mode. So it means that basically you can now start the vehicle many times as you want. Select your gear. And then when you get it back, put your code in again. 1, 2, 3, 4. Double flash, start your vehicle. Really, really clever. Also, to change the code, you turn on the ignition, main ignition on, insert your original code 1, 2, 3, 4, double flash, foot right down on the accelerator, repeat the same code again, 1, 2, 3, 4. It now goes into learn mode. So you can use any of these buttons here, this button here, and that button there. So we're just going to use the other side of the cruise control. So when we hit it, we're going to get a flash. Once we've inserted the code, we get 3 flashes. Then we're going to repeat the same code again, get 2 flashes, ignition off, and it'll be learnt. So we're going to use the plus cruise control. 1, 2, 3, 4. 3 flashes. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2 flashes, system now learnt. So if we now turn on the ignition, main ignition on, insert the new code, so 1, 2, 3, 4, double flash, start the vehicle. There you go. Really clever, really straightforward. Hope you found this video helpful. My name's Otto, company's called London Car Alarm Company. Number to me is 028 906 0478, 028 906 0478. Thank you, bye bye.